everybody is creative, and the more creative learning is, in my opinion, the better it is. It helps deepen learning, it allows people to look at what they're learning from different perspectives, it allows teachers to be able to perhaps look at their own learners from different angles and help their learners, because they can look at the subject matter from different points of view and different angles.
I like working with children, with people, communicate. This job makes me to face with challenge. Every day it's challenge because you have to face with the different characters, with a different situation. You have to adjust different methodologies, approaches, and I'm the kind of person who needs challenge, and because it makes me grow and it makes my students grow.
Part of the session this morning was looking at the voice as well, and looking at how important the voice is, both for teachers, but also how important it is in terms of language learning, and perhaps some of the difficulties that speakers of other languages might have speaking English language, for instance.
Learning and teaching English is very important, because teaching English to Thai people is very challenging because they don't normally speak English, and I think learning English is very important as it can broaden their perspective.
Having the ability to reconcile some of the theory behind reasons why we do what we do in the classroom, and sort of justifications and supports for different sort of pedagogical models and ways of teaching, and being able to conceptualize those properly and sort of utilize them in a classroom environment, I think is incredibly useful.
So the session today was basically to try and give a bit of an introduction to how creativity might be used in learning, some of the processes, so to actually give some practical examples of creative processes that the students here could then take into their own teaching practice and adapt for their own purposes.
Some of the specific activities and games we played, I'll certainly try and incorporate those the next time I'm in a classroom environment, and yeah, I guess just not being afraid to be as creative and as open as possible to new ideas in the language classroom, I think is very important also.
Right now we are doing activity. I'm a kind of person who wants to bring creativity and to the class, to make students enjoy the learning process.
It's made me sort of more confident in what I'll be doing as a language teacher, and yeah, I suppose just the whole experience of being with other people in the same situation, learning together and growing as teachers together has been really rewarding as well.